Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to choose convenience tools and click on navigation. After that, tap on this switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode and follow all of those instructions. So I have to pull down from the bottom of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back into the standard size, click on this one at the top right or left one. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!